Yesterday, I went to Total Games for the Paint and Build Night. This is the express purpose of putting together a Gunpla model. This is a plastic model kit which started in the early 1980s. Bandai, the makers of the model kits, took over from Clover Toys as a sponsor of Mobile Suit Gundam, and turning out these plastic toys that you put together yourself has turned into quite an industry and is a hobby in its own right. Now, I'm a fan of the show, but this is the first time that I've put it together. Also, I started with a kit that is a reproduction of a kit that came out in 1980. So this is not modern technology, but I thought I would start with how it was in the early 1980s to go for a deliberately retro experience. Now, I'm a huge fan of the actual anime, but this is the first time that I have gotten into putting together a model kit. It looks like this particular one is Char Aznabal's Red ZAKU. He's sort of the bad guy for this series, but became one of the protagonists as the series went on. And I'm very pleased with this, and I think I'll definitely do another one. However, I did get glue all over my fingers. But I'm very happy with this, and had a good time, and decided to watch a little bit more of the show. Stay awesome, play retro.